Dear God, I'm standing in the ruins of the person I used to be. Every step feels heavy, like the past is pulling me. I see the scars I caused, the bridges I burned, and all the lessons that hurt more than they were learned. Sometimes I wonder why you still listen when I call, 'cause I'm the one who built these walls and then I watch them fall. But I'm still trying, even when I'm breaking, holding on to you with hands that won't stop shaking. I lost myself 1,000 times, but somehow you're still near. Dear God, I'm hurting, but I'm still here. I'm still here.